All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
30.
You get into that point. I know you've heard my speech before. You get into that point where more of your life is almost behind you than in front of you. So you got to start making better decisions, all right?
This case opens with life-level exposure, a first-degree drug charge that can carry 5 to 99 years, or life, plus a separate felony gun case. But today isn't trial. It's damage control. A plea bargain is already in motion, and the goal is to cap what could have been catastrophic.
2022 CR 3078, State of Texas versus Michael Anthony Martin. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Bernice Parks.
For the defense?
Robert Maurer for defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Martin?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
I have in both cases, Judge.
Oh, we're going on two.
Yes, ma'am.
Just one second.
Agreement's the same on both.
All right. And counsel, all the discovery in
Yes,
both.
ma'am.
And each of the cause numbers, Mr. Martin, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented in each of those cause numbers?
Judge, in cross number ending in 3078, we are going to move forward on count 1, waive count 2, and also waive the repeater enhancement.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, could you repeat? You're going on count
Count 1,
1,
yes, Judge.
waiving count 2 and repeater?
Yes, Judge.
When the state waives a count, it's dropping that part of the indictment, and waiving the repeater means backing off an enhancement that could have boosted punishment based on prior convictions. In plain terms, the plea trims the case to the version the court will sentence today.
All right, Mr. Martin, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
In 2022 CR 3078, you're charged with possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, felony group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's the first degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison. In cause number 2022 CR 4754, you're charged with felon in possession of firearm. That's the third degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow those plea bargain agreements. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to these offenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him? Do
I do.
you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Martin, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter these plea bargain agreements?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you the plea bargain agreement. Did you review those with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, their punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. Each case will run concurrent with each other. And each case will run concurrent with the parole case out of Medina County. That's 1704012353 CR. And the state is taking in consideration Medina County case 21-01091.
That's correct.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Judge.
And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review those paragraphs with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, just for a moment.
Can you slow down just a little bit?
I will. I'm so sorry, Brenna. I am going to slow down. Because I need to slow down. I'm sorry, Brenna. And you've been smoking.
You're making my head spin.
Okay, I'm going slower. All right. So did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Then in cause number 2022 CR 3078 to count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And in cause number 2022 CR 4754, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State in each of those cause numbers, do you have any evidence to support the plea?
Yes, Judge. State offer states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection to either one, Judge.
Brenda, am I slowing down now?
Yes, you're doing great.
Thank you. All right, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and in each cause number, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I just asked the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right. Then in cause number 2022 CR 4754, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 3078 and parole case 1704-012353 CR, and taking consideration 2101-091. And in cause number 2022 CR 3078, court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, $1,500 fine, time and money concurrent with 2022 CR 4754, parole case number 1704-012353, taking consideration Medina case 2101-091. Right, is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing in either of those cause numbers?
Not from defense, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review those, Mr. Mallon? Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? All right, because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction in each of these cause numbers, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapon or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
30.
You get to that point, I know you've heard my speech before, you get to that point where more of your life is almost behind you than in front of you. So you got to start making better decisions, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Court is calling 2023 CR 7772, State of Texas versus Rolando Valadez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Kelly Piddle.
And are you Mr. Rolando Valadez? All right, are both parties in receipt of the TAP evaluation state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes.
Any objection to the TAP evaluation state?
No, Your Honor.
Defense?
No.
All right. According to the plea bargain you entered, punishment is to be assessed at 9 years in the prison. The state is recommending community supervision. Is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, we just ask that you follow the recommendation, and Mr. Valdez has not had any violations on his actual interlock. And once the court has ordered him to do the AA daily, he has been doing that, and he's found that to be helpful. So,
All right. All right, Mr. Valadez, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Yes.
state your name for the record.
Yeah,
Rolling like this.
no problem. So the TAP evaluation is recommending outpatient treatment. Do you think that would be helpful to you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And are you in agreement to doing the outpatient treatment?
Yes, ma'am.
And they want it to be intensive. Here's the thing. It's still outpatient treatment. It's just more intensive. The reason why they're asking that of you is because of your alcohol use. And we're in felony court for alcohol use, right? So that means that you're probably a person who cannot drink alcohol at all.
Right.
Some people can take one drink, they stop, they're done. Other people, they just continue to drink. So I'm going to order, even though you've been doing the sober meetings, which I appreciate, I'm going to order the intensive outpatient treatment. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I work for Texas Highway and we work for highways,
Mhm.
do highway streets.
Ah,
Yes.
so are you all a part of cleaning streets or repairing?
We do the,
Builds them.
Yeah.
What?
He builds them.
Ah,
yeah, we add more streets to it,
oh, are you building streets or is it the freeways?
like the freeways. We're making more lanes.
He's been working on 35 for 20 years, Judge.
Oh, yeah. You know, there was somebody who told me that they have been working, well, seeing work on the freeway
Yes, ma'am.
since they were a little boy. That was Judge Carruthers. And he's like, they still working on it. So I don't think they ever finish. I don't know what that is. Why is it in other countries, people will work on a highway, like a highway gets destroyed. And then once the concrete or whatever materials they use have cured, it's like it's done. Why does it take so long here?
The weather sometimes, but the material and the process of in and out.
Mhm.
Because the streets gotta be open, so we need a lot of people directing the traffic.
Mhm.
And it's a lot of mistakes and stuff, accidents.
Oh, I don't think you should say
So
mistakes.
it's a lot of- Like, little
Yeah.
minor things.
Oh, wow. Well,
Yes.
thank you very
Yeah,
much.
well, sure. Kenny.
Okay. Well, I hope people will slow down when they see you all working.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then I'm going to follow your agreement. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sentence you to 9 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 9 years. We'll do intensive outpatient treatment with probation. If there's an issue with that in your job, because I know your work hours are probably either early in the morning or late at night, just make sure you stay in contact with probation and let them know. If you feel like there's an issue where you're missing work or you can't miss work because they're going to fire you or something, let probation know. If you feel like they're not able to help you, you can always come back to the court or call your attorney and you can come back to the court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Ignition interlock. That's for the full term. And I just noticed that was outside the agreement, Mr. Piddle.
Right, Judge. We're asking that it be for half the term and then be evaluated by the court to see how he was doing.
All right, I'm gonna put it for full term, but I've noted it on the docket sheet that that can be evaluated. So after the half term of this, if there are no issues, more likely than not, I'll have it removed, all right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So just come back to the court at half the term. Probation at half the term for ignition interlock. We can see how he's doing. I'm gonna order full term for now, but that's open. All right, there's a $500 fine. That will be probated. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. In regards to that, you can either do the 200 hours community service or you can pay it off if you want to pay it off. And I'll put that at $7.25 per hour. And you can do it at the San Antonio Food Bank. I always choose the San Antonio Food Bank because there's always a shortage. But if there's somewhere else that you would like to donate to that's on the approval charity list, I'll consider that as well.
Okay, thank you.
All right. There's to be the 2-year driver's license suspension. Victim impact panel. DWI education course. Probation, we'll do a field visit just one time to see how things are. And then after that, at your discretion. And regular UAs. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Now, it appears that sober meetings are helping you out. Since I've ordered intensive outpatient treatment and you're working, I'm not going to require the sober meetings. But if that's what's needed to make you remain sober, you should probably continue doing that. Otherwise, there's going to be an issue. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any questions about anything that I've ordered?
No, ma'am.
Is there anything you need from the court to be successful on this probation?
No, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal.
Sorry.
Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to your attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we can go off the record. So you work with highways, so you know a lot of times there's a lot of accidents,
Yes, ma'am.
and it's because people who are driving while intoxicated. And usually the person who's injured, if there's an accident and somebody's driving intoxicated, it's not the intoxicated driver. It's usually their passenger or somebody else. So you cannot drink or drive. And because you're on probation, even at your own house, because I know the holidays are coming up. I know that there's New Year's, there's Christmas. People always want to drink alcohol maybe, or drink champagne or something. Even at your own house, you are not allowed to drink alcohol while you're on probation. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
The judge follows the deal. 2 10-year prison sentences running concurrent, so he serves them at the same time. Then come the lasting consequences. Because it's a plea bargain, his appeal rights are essentially shut down, and as a felon, he loses the right to possess firearms or ammunition. And before he leaves, the judge delivers the real message: you're running out of road.